Your front door is one of the most important elements of your home's security. It serves as the first line of defense against intruders while also enhancing your property's curb appeal and energy efficiency. For West Valley City homeowners, upgrading to a new entry door can significantly improve home security, giving you peace of mind and better protection for your family. Here's how investing in a high-quality entry door can make your home safer. Stronger materials for maximum protection. Older doors, especially those made of hollow wood or outdated materials, can be vulnerable to break-ins. Modern entry doors are designed with security in mind, offering steel doors, which provide unmatched durability and resistance to forced entry. Fiberglass doors, which offer a combination of strength, insulation, and weather resistance. Solid wood doors, which are stronger than hollow core doors but require proper maintenance to prevent warping. Choosing a heavy-duty entry door with impact-resistant materials makes it significantly harder for intruders to force their way in. Advanced locking systems for added security. A new entry door isn't just about the material, it's also about the locking mechanisms. Many older doors have basic locks that can be easily bypassed. A professionally installed modern entry door allows for multi-point locking systems, securing the door at multiple points instead of just one. Smart locks with keypad or fingerprint access, eliminating the need for keys and reducing the risk of lockpicking. Heavy-duty deadbolts, reinforced with strike plates to prevent forced entry. With a strong lock system, your home becomes much more difficult to break into, deterring potential burglars. Reinforced door frames and hinges. Many intruders target weak door frames and hinges, rather than the door itself. A new entry door installed professionally ensures that door frames are reinforced with heavy-duty materials to resist kicking or prying. Longer, high-security screws are used in hinge placement to prevent tampering. Hinges are placed on the inside, reducing the risk of forced removal from outside. By securing the entire door structure, not just the door panel, you create a stronger barrier against break-ins. Impact resistance for extreme weather protection. In West Valley City, homeowners also need to consider weather-related threats, such as strong winds and storms. A new impact-resistant entry door offers durability against harsh weather conditions, preventing warping and cracking. Heavy-duty seals that keep out wind, rain, and debris. Extra layers of insulation, improving both security and energy efficiency. With an impact-rated entry door, your home is protected not only from break-ins but also from natural disasters and extreme weather. Smart technology for increased security. Homeowners are increasingly integrating smart home technology into their security systems. Modern entry doors can be equipped with smart locks that can be controlled remotely via smartphone apps. Video doorbells with motion detection, allowing you to see who is at your door at all times. Automatic lighting sensors, which illuminate entryways when movement is detected, discouraging intruders. These features provide an extra layer of security, giving homeowners real-time monitoring and control over who enters their home. Improved privacy and visibility. Many older doors come with thin glass panels or low-quality peepholes, making it easier for intruders to look inside. A new entry door can enhance privacy by using frosted or textured glass to allow light in while obscuring the view from outside. Installing higher quality peepholes with wider viewing angles. Adding built-in blinds or shades for increased control over visibility. With the right privacy-enhancing features, you reduce the risk of potential burglars scoping out your home. Increased home value and insurance benefit. A high-security entry door is not just about safety, it's also a valuable investment in your home. The benefits include higher property value, as modern doors boost curb appeal and security. Potential discounts on homeowners' insurance, as insurers may lower premiums for homes with enhanced security measures. Long-term cost savings, since durable, well-installed doors require less maintenance and last longer. By upgrading your entry door, you're making an investment in both security and your home's future value. Deter crime with a modern, secure entryway. A new entry door sends a clear message to potential intruders. This home is well maintained and secure. Studies show that burglars often look for homes with weak entry points, so installing a modern, reinforced door can be a major deterrent. With visible security upgrades, such as new locks, reinforced frames, and smart technology, criminals are less likely to target your home. Final thoughts. Upgrade your security with a new entry door. Your entry door is your home's first defense against intruders, harsh weather, and energy loss. By investing in a high-quality, professionally installed door, West Valley City homeowners can enjoy stronger protection against break-ins, advanced security features, including smart locks and reinforced frames, better weather resistance and long-term durability, increased home value and potential insurance benefits. If you're ready to enhance your home's security, curb appeal, and efficiency, consider upgrading to a new entry door. Consult with a trusted door replacement professional in West Valley City today to explore your options and ensure your home is well protected for years to come.